Have you ever noticed that sometimes, even when you water your crops, the soil doesn't absorb water properly, or the plants don't grow as well as expected? One of the reasons for this could be soil compaction. It's a common problem, especially for farmers, and it can significantly affect crop production. In today's video, we'll talk about soil compaction, what causes it, how it impacts your farm, and the best ways to solve it. What is soil compaction? Soil compaction occurs when soil particles are pressed together too tightly, reducing the pore spaces between them. These spaces are essential for air, water, and nutrients to move through the soil. And when they are reduced, plant roots cannot grow effectively. In compacted soil, water often runs off instead of soaking in, and roots struggle to get the oxygen they need to thrive. Think of it as squeezing a sponge too hard. When the sponge is compacted, it doesn't absorb water well. Similarly, compacted soil doesn't allow the necessary nutrients and water to reach the roots of your plants. Now, let's look at what causes soil compaction. There are several factors that contribute to it. 1. Heavy machinery use. One of the most significant causes of soil compaction is the use of heavy machinery. When large equipment like tractors or harvesters are used, they press down on the soil, compressing the particles beneath them. This is especially true if the soil is too wet when the machinery is used. 2. Overgrazing by livestock. Another cause of soil compaction is overgrazing by livestock. When animals repeatedly walk over the same area, their hooves compact the soil, making it harder for water to seep in and for plants to grow. Excessive tillage. Excessive tillage or plowing can also lead to compaction. While tilling is necessary to prepare soil for planting, too much of it can break down the soil structure, leading to deeper layers becoming more compacted and harder for roots to penetrate. 4. Rainfall and irrigation. Heavy rainfall or excess irrigation can also cause compaction, especially when the soil is wet and machinery is used. The water causes soil particles to shift, and when heavy machinery is used afterward, it further compresses the soil. The effects of soil compaction. Soil compaction can have serious consequences for your crops and the health of your soil. Let's look at some of these effects. 1. Poor root growth. When soil is compacted, plant roots can't grow deep enough to access the nutrients and water they need. Shallow roots make plants weaker and more susceptible to drought and nutrient deficiencies. 2. Water drainage problems. Compacted soil causes poor water infiltration. Instead of water soaking into the ground, it runs off, leading to waterlogging in some areas and a lack of moisture in others. 3. Nutrient deficiency. Without proper root growth, plants can't absorb nutrients effectively. This leads to nutrient deficiencies and weak, unproductive crops. Let's look at the story of Ravi Kumar, a farmer in Uttar Pradesh. Ravi grows wheat and rice on his 4-acre field. Last year, after using a tractor to plow his fields in wet conditions, Ravi noticed that his soil had become compacted. He found that water wasn't soaking into the ground properly, and his crops were struggling to grow. Ravi realized that soil compaction was the root of the problem. To fix this, he switched to minimum tillage and started applying organic compost to improve the soil structure. He also invested in a drip irrigation system to reduce the water pressure on the soil. Within a few months, Ravi saw a noticeable improvement. His crops grew healthier, and his soil became more porous, allowing water to infiltrate better. Now that we understand the causes and effects of soil compaction, let's look at some solutions to prevent it. 1. Reduced tillage. One of the best ways to prevent compaction is by using reduced tillage or no-till farming. This allows the soil to retain its natural structure, preserving the pores and space for water and air. 2. Organic matter. Adding organic matter, like compost or mulch, improves the soil structure, increases the water holding capacity, and reduces compaction. Avoiding heavy machinery on wet soil. Try to avoid using heavy machinery on wet soil. If possible, wait for the soil to dry before using tractors or plows, or opt for lighter equipment. 4. Proper irrigation techniques. Use drip irrigation or sprinklers with low water pressure to reduce the risk of compaction caused by excess water. 5. Crop rotation. Practice crop rotation to prevent the soil from being stressed by the same crops year after year. This helps maintain soil health and reduces compaction. In conclusion, soil compaction is a significant problem for farmers. But with the right techniques, it can be managed. By adopting reduced tillage, adding organic matter, using proper irrigation systems, and avoiding heavy machinery use in wet conditions, we can maintain soil health and improve crop yields. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Have you faced soil compaction on your farm? Share your thoughts or solutions with us in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going and help each other grow healthier, more productive crops.